यो हेरौं मायामा पर्नु fall in love मैले तिमीलाई देख्ने बित्तिकै तिम्रो मायामा परे I fell in love with you as soon as I saw you I fell in love with you as soon as I saw you पुरानो माया old flame अथवा former love हामी जुन एक्स भन्ने गर्छौं नि त्यही नै हो उसले पार्टीमा आफ्नो पुरानो मायालाई भेट्यो He met an old flame at the party He met an old flame at the party सानो बेलाको माया puppy love सानो बेलाको माया प्राय मानिसहरूलाई याद हुन्छ Puppy love is what most people remember Puppy love is what most people remember सानो बेलाको मायालाई childhood love पनि भनिन्छ सानो बेलाको माया प्राय मानिसहरूलाई याद हुन्छ Most people remember their childhood love. Most people remember their childhood love. आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै माया प्रेम सम्बन्धीको अंग्रेजीको अभ्यास गरौँ. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. मुटु धड्किनु heartbeats. तिमीलाई देख्ने बित्तिकै मेरो मुटुको धड्कन बढ्छ My heart beats faster when I see you My heart beats faster when I see you माया गर्नु love म तिमीलाई माया गर्छु I love you I love you माया प्रेममा परेको fallen in love म तिम्रो मायामा परेको छु I have fallen in love with you I have fallen in love with you अब हामी अर्कोमा जाऔं पहिलो नजरमा प्रेम love at first sight यो पहिलो नजरमा प्रेम थियो It was love at first sight. It was love at first sight. मन पराउनु like म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु I like you. I like you. आकर्षित हुनु fall for म उनी प्रति आकर्षित भए I fell for her I fell for her कसम खानु swear म तिम्रो कसम खान्छु म सधैँ तिमीलाई प्रेम गर्नेछु I swear to you I will love you forever Forever को अर्थ सधैँभरि I swear to you, I will love you forever. म कसम खाएर भन्छु कि म तिमीलाई धोका दिने छैन. I swear I will not betray you. Betray को अर्थ धोका दिनु. I swear I will not betray you. प्रभावित गर्नु impress सीताले रामलाई प्रभावित पारिन् Sita impressed Ram Sita impressed Ram शब्दहरूले व्यक्त गर्न सक्दैनन् कि म तिमीलाई कति धेरै माया गर्छु Words can't express how much I love you Words can't express how much I love you. Express व्यक्त गर्नु. अर्को वाक्य जब म तिमीलाई देख्छु तब म मेरो खुशी व्यक्त गर्न सक्दिन. I can't express my happiness when I see you. I can't express my happiness when I see you. अंगालो हाल्नु. Embrace. उसले मलाई अंगालो हाल्यो. He embraced me. He embraced me. उनले उसलाई अंगालो हालिन्. She hugged him. She hugged him. Hug भनेको पनि अंगालो अथवा अंगालो हाल्नु. She hugged him. उसले उनलाई ठूलो अंगालो हाल्यो. He gave her a big hug. He gave her a big hug. चुम्बन अथवा चुम्बन गर्नु. Kiss. मैले उनलाई चुम्बन गरेँ. I kissed her. I kissed her. मैले उनलाई चुम्बन दिएँ. I gave her a kiss. I gave her a kiss. याद आउनु अथवा सम्झिनु. Miss. म तिमीलाई धेरै नै सम्झिन्छु. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. शंका गर्नु. Doubt. मलाई शंका नगर. Please don't doubt me. Please don't doubt me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. विश्वास गर्नु. Believe. म तिमीलाई आफू भन्दा बढी विश्वास गर्छु. I believe you more than myself. I believe you more than myself. Smitten. मायामा पागल हुनु. उसलाई देख्ने बित्तिकै ऊ उनको मायामा पागल भयो. As soon as he saw her, he was smitten. As soon as he saw her, he was smitten. प्रेमी. Boyfriend. ऊ मेरो प्रेमी हो. He is my boyfriend. He is my boyfriend. Girlfriend. प्रेमिका. उनी मेरी प्रेमिका हुन्. She is my girlfriend. She is my girlfriend. जोडी. Couple. यो पार्कमा कति धेरै जोडीहरू छन्. There are so many couples in this park. There are so many couples in this park. अविवाहित. Unmarried. म अविवाहित हूँ. I am unmarried. I am unmarried. विवाहित. Married. म विवाहित हूँ. I am married. I am married. अविवाहित पुरुष. Bachelor. Bachelor. उनी जिंदगी भर अविवाहित नहीं रहे. He remained a bachelor all his life. He remained a bachelor all his life. प्रिय, प्रेमी अथवा प्रेमिका, sweetheart. तिमी मेरो प्रिय हौ. You are my sweetheart. You are my sweetheart. तपाई धेरै रोमान्टिक हुनुहुन्छ. You are very romantic. Romantic भनेको माया दर्शाइरहने. You are very romantic. प्रेमी प्रेमिकाको रोमान्टिक भेटघाट. Date. आज उनीहरू प्रेम भेटघाट गर्दैछन्. They are going on a date today. They are going on a date today. Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. उपहार, gift. मैले तिमीलाई एउटा उपहार ल्याएको छु. I have brought you a gift. I have brought you a gift. Present पनि भनिन्छ. मैले तिमीलाई एउटा उपहार ल्याएको छु. I have brought you a present. I have brought you a present. मुटु, heart. तिम्रो मुटु भित्र को छ? Who is there in your heart? Who is there in your heart? साँचो प्रेम, true love. तिमी मेरो साँचो प्रेम हौ. You are my true love. You are my true love. मेरो प्रेम साँचो हो. My love is true. My love is true. सम्बन्ध तोड्नु, break up. उनले उसँग सम्बन्ध तोडिन्. She broke up with him. She broke up with him. मसँग सम्बन्ध नतोड. Don't break up with me. Don't break up with me. मिल्नु, patch up. म उनीसँग मिले. I patched up with her. I patched up with her. उनीसँग तालमेल नगर अथवा नमिल. Don't patch up with her. Don't patch up with her. Ex, भूतपूर्व अथवा भूपू. उनी मेरो भूपू हुन् अथवा उनी मेरो भूतपूर्व प्रेमिका हुन्. She is my ex. She is my ex. पूर्व प्रेमिका, ex-girlfriend. My ex-girlfriend called me yesterday. हिजो मलाई मेरी पूर्व प्रेमिकाले कल गरिन्. My ex-girlfriend called me yesterday. Ex-boyfriend, पूर्व प्रेमी. I want to meet my ex-boyfriend. मलाई मेरो पूर्व प्रेमीसँग भेट्न मन छ. I want to meet my ex-boyfriend. अब हाम्रो यो अन्तिम वाक्य हेरौं. आफैलाई प्रेम गर्नुहोस् र त्यसपछि मात्र विश्वले तपाईलाई प्रेम गर्नेछ. Love yourself and then only the whole world will love you. Love yourself and then only the whole world will love you. आजलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a great day.